At Capital S.M.A.R.T Repairs, we understand that life sometimes takes an unexpected detour. And that's why we want to make your vehicle repair process simple and hassle-free. Here's what to expect when you bring your vehicle in for the assessment. When you arrive, our friendly team will start by checking your vehicle and noting any damages to make sure everything runs smoothly. Next, we will walk you through the repair process, provide an estimated time frame, and answer any questions you may have. In many cases, we can start repairs right away, so be ready to leave your car with us. If we need to order parts, we will schedule a new date that works for you. Your safety is our priority, and we will ensure your vehicle is safe to drive before you leave our repair centre. If needed, we can arrange a complimentary ride or assist with transport service to help get you to your next destination, ensuring you stay on the move while your car is being repaired. Before bringing in your vehicle, please make sure it has a full tank of fuel to assist with the repair process. Please remove all personal belongings, including work tools and digital devices. This will help us work faster to get you back on the road quickly and keeps your valuables safe. Once repairs are complete, our team will run quality checks and give your car a complimentary wash. We'll keep you updated throughout the process with a courtesy call and an SMS when your vehicle is ready for collection. Need a ride back to our repair centre? No worries, we can arrange complimentary transport to make your pickup as convenient as possible. And that's it. Have questions? Contact us today.